75 Corvette, reinstalling upper control arm bushings and the control arms. You're gonna need this kit, 648, 604, upper control arm bushing service set. Gonna need an insert, gonna need Pearson cap, of course, screw, C-frame, plunger. Main thing is you're gonna have to have the C-clamp with a gap in it like that, because once you get one in, you got to be able to take the clamp back off of the torsion bar. So basically how it goes together, got the spinner, what I'll call the spinner here, onto that, plunging cap, and then this sleeve, which makes it so it goes right around the rubber, but contacts fully on the lip. Of course, you gotta grease your ends on the torsion bar. I like to scuff with sandpaper for giggles, but grease your sleeves, grease the insides of the control arm. Make sure your torsion bar is in there before you start pressing in these bushings, or you are going to have a field day and have to take it all back apart again. At any rate, there you go, short and sweet.